From your device, computer, iPad, tablet, or cell phone, go to your search engine and you can either type it in the search window or up here at the location bar. Type in helencordero.aps.edu and hit your enter or return button. Once you get to Helen Cordero, you will have to scroll down. On a phone, you'll have to go a lot further, but on this particular page, it shows up right away, and you see the learning links, a little spaceship or rocket. You will click on there, and there is a link that will get you to our testing websites as well as other games and activities. You see those same games here, but those will eventually be deleted, so we suggest going directly here to only 2 clicks. And here you see a variety of testing sites and learning sites that we use here at Helen Cordero Primary. Once you get there, click on Gigi the Penguin. When that opens up, you may be asked to enable Flash Player. So you'll have to click on that little puzzle piece and then click up in the corner where it says Allow. And that will allow the animation and videos to continue. And then we see the animation beginning now as the different pictures begin to drop down. Depending on the speed and processor in your computer, it may take a while. As you can see, this is sort of going very slowly. But it will eventually catch up. And once it catches up, you're going to see a setup screen. And the setup screen is going to allow you to set up our specific school information to allow your child to find their credentials and their activities that they've been doing here at school. Now here it is. It's detecting the school and it's looking for the homework. And down at the bottom you see enter activation code. Then you enter in the activation code, and I will read that out to you now. You will click on the first box, and once you see your cursor blinking, HEL 6 Q 0 LNF GR JB, and where is this computer located? It is not at school, but off-site at home, doing homework. So be sure you click on the house because your child is working at home. Now, if they were at school, of course, it would be set up differently by their teacher. Then you need to click on Allow Local Data Storage. That yellow button you see there, click on that. And then there's a teeny tiny green check mark that also says Allow. Click on that. Welcome to ST Math. Yay! And there is our homework button. And it will open up to a login page for the student to log in with their picture password. And it is a series of 13 pictures that they need to click in sequence. If they don't know it, see, there's an example of one right there. If they don't know it, then they're going to have to look it up by going to that equal sign there at the bottom. And then there's a little arrow pointing to the equal sign. And then they will see this screen that says username and password. Then they will be able to log in those credentials. And those credentials will be their student number at the top. And at the bottom, everybody's password is #STUDENT1 APS. And then that will take them to a picture password learning activities page. And then they can log in here where their picture password is after they've practiced it. Then when it's time to go, they log out and click out, and they are done for that session. If you don't have a computer or a tablet, you can use your phone.
Today's tutorial is a real simple one. I'm going to be showing you how to add any website to your phone's home screen. So for iPhones, what you're going to do is go to the Safari browser app. Every iPhone has the app, so it should work for you. This is a website you're obviously not going to find on the App Store, so I'm going to click this box with the up arrow. For iPads, this box is on the top right. Scroll over and click the Add to Home Screen button, and you can change the name if you want to. After that, you click the Add button on the top right, and as you can see, the website is now added to my phone's home screen. As for Androids, go to Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right of the browser bar. Click the Add to Home Screen button, and like iPhones, you can change the title. And that's it.
To create a shortcut for a website on your Windows desktop, right click on the desktop, select New and select Shortcut. Now in this location text box, type the address of the website whose shortcut you want to create. For example, if I want to create a shortcut of Google, then I will just type the address for Google and then click on Next. Now here you can give the name for the shortcut as Google, then click on Finish. You can see that there is a shortcut which is being created here on the desktop. Now if I open this one, then you can see the website opens in the default browser of your system.
So if you have a Mac, you just open up your browser, Safari or whatever, and type in the website that you would like to use. Hopefully you will be typing in helencordero.aps.edu. Then you go up there to the very top where you see that red circle and you drag it off to your desktop, and that will create the location, the web location or shortcut to our website. That way all you have to do is click on that and you will be instantly taken to that website as shown here. I'd like to take it a step further. We just learned how to make a shortcut to a website, but it leaves a sort of ambiguous photo or icon of the website, and when you do enough of those shortcuts they all look the same. For example, let's go to our 2Clicks website, which is going to Helen Cordero and then the rocket. Remember we did that earlier, and we went to 2Clicks. Now if we want to save this so we don't have to Google it anymore, we click on it like the video said up here, and here we see this little circle and we drag that off to our computer desktop. And this is what I mean by ambiguous. You drop enough of these on your desktop and they all look the same. If your child can't read them, they need a picture to refer to. So what we do is we take a picture with our screenshot, so it's only 2clicks.com, and we would press the Shift key and hold it down, then the Command key, then the 4 key, and we make this little cross and we take a picture. There it is. Another way to do it would be to actually find an icon of it on the internet. So there's our picture, and that's the picture right there that we took. Now I could also go to Google and type in only 2Clicks. I'll do it up here at the top. Only 2Clicks. And then we go to Images, and here are different pictures that you can use and drag off. I'm trying to find one that is simple, so I'll drag that off and we should see that on the desktop. Then here is the location or shortcut, and so I click on the picture that I want to use, which was either this one or this one. I think this one's better for kids. And we open it up in preview, and then we go up to edit. We need to select all. Then copy, get rid of that, and then we click on here and we go up here and we get information, get info. then while we still have it in copy in the RAM, we tap on this and we paste it. Now we have turned that ambiguous web location or shortcut into a one-click or two-click that will bring us straight to the website we need to be on.